magnetic lines, the hairy fashion. So for that, take the magnetic hairstyle magic card and a spin disc. And from the top up kit, let's take a sketch pen, magnetos and iron fillings. So let's get started by sprinkling the iron fillings onto the card. And use a magneto bit. Place the magnet behind the card. And observe how the iron fillings are moving. We can make different hairstyles, beard and mustache also. Draw your own cartoon character and have fun with iron fillings. Now try to put some iron fillings. Take the magneto. And make some hair combination.